Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zaid bin Harun. So today I will present about stiffness evaluation of bus aggregates as replacement aggregates in hot mix asphalt mixture. So we have three members, which is the first one is myself, Zaid bin Harun, and second is Nuruddinah binti Haizat, and lastly Nur Atiyah binti Muhammad Nasir. So for the outline, what I will explain to today is about first introduction of our projects, introduction, literature review, methodology, and lastly expected result. So for the introduction, we have a few problem statement, which is the first one, because nowadays the current roads constantly being damaged due to overloaded vehicles or a period of inactivity. Because of that, the aggregate that it other than that, the aggregate that is used to construct road also is decreasing. So for the solution for the problem statement is we use other materials, which is basalt aggregates. So basalt aggregates is volcanic rocks. Because of that, it has higher specific gravity and lower absorption. Also, it is required for road durability. Because of the higher specific gravity and have higher durability, but using basalt aggregates, it also can withstand greater loads. Okay, next is aim and objective. Our aim to do this project is to evaluate the performance of hot mix asphalt mixture incorporating basalt aggregate materials. Next one is objective. Our objective have three, which is number one, to investigate the basalt aggregate and asphalt binder materials characteristic and variability. Number two, to assess the volumetric properties of hot mix asphalt incorporating basalt aggregates. And lastly, our objective is to evaluate the stiffness of asphalt mixture incorporating basalt aggregate at higher mix temperature. Okay, next is scope of study. This experiment or this study will be carried out at the Highway and Traffic Laboratory at Detention Pago. And the next one is the percentage of aggregate will be used 0%, 25%, 50%, 70%, and lastly 100% of aggregate. Next is aggregate use, likely I said, which is granite and basalt. Depends according to the aggregate size ACW14. Next, we will use asphalt binder grade 60-70 with 5% asphalt binder content. Our scope is to determine the higher strength and durability of hot mix asphalt mixture. And lastly, we will perform material stability test, which is to evaluate the performance of asphalt mixture. Thank you. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atiyah binti Muhammad Nasir. My metric number is AA210246. Now, I will present about my group's literature review. Here are some articles that we have selected that are related to our study. As you can see, the title of the first article is Evaluating the Effects of Using Reclaimed Asphalt, Pavement, and Recycled Concrete Aggregate on the Behavior of Hot Mix Asphalt. The second article is Microwave Heating Mechanism and Self-Healing Performance of Asphalt Mixture with Basalt and Limestone Aggregates. And last article is Feasibility Assessment of the Use of Recycled Aggregates for Asphalt Mixture. All articles taken are in the year of 2018 and 2022. These articles have similarity in using basalt as a study material which is in average of 4 to 6%. The result of the test using Marshall test is increase the strength and durability of the concrete. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay. Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Nurul Diana Bintul Hazan and my number metric is AA210914. So today I would like to present to you about the methodology. So this is our methodology chart. So start with a material selection. So we select two material in FIP, that is aggregate and asphalt binder. For the aggregate, we select granite and basalt, and for the asphalt binder, we take a grade 67. And after that, we have the objective one, that is we do two testing for the aggregate and asphalt binder. So for the aggregate, we have 4 testing that we do in the aggregate. There is a sieve analysis, specific and water absorption, flakiness and elongation index, and the last one is aggregate impact value. And for asphalt binder testing, we have 2 testing we do at the asphalt binder, that is penetration and softening points. Okay, next we go to the objective 2, that is mix sample preparation. Then we use a Marshall mix design, and then for the objective 3, the performance evaluation, that is a Marshall stability test. Next, we do the data analysis, and then we can do the discussion and conclusion. And that's all for our methodology. And next, we move to the next presenter. And that's all for me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.
Okay, for the last chapter, which is the expected outcome, the first one, we think basalt may withstand the pavement deformation, like crocodile cracking, rutting, and polishing. Other than that, a mixture could improve the performance of the road surface, which is increased durability and the strength of the pavement. I think that's all. Salam.